We have already studied about GST and we have solved some word problems on that too. Now let's see an advanced word problem on GST. So what is the question? It states that Samir purchased a TV at 20% discount from a showroom in his city and paid a total amount of rupees 20,768. Now we need to find out the cost price and list price of the TV if rate of GST was 18% and profit made by the shopkeeper was rupees 1400. So let's have a look at what are the things given to us. So we have the total amount 20,768. This is given to us. Also we know that the discount was 20%. So this is also given to us, and we know that the GST rate was 18%. This is another information given to us, and the profit made was 1400. So this is another information that we have. And what do we need to find? We need to find the cost price and list price, and to find these we also need to find sale price, which is not given to us in this question. So our first target will be to find the sale price because we already have the total amount. And what do we know about the total amount? Total amount is always a combination of sale price and GST, isn't it? So we have this information given to us, and now we know that total amount is SP plus GST, and we know the rate of GST, right? We also know the total amount. So if we substitute the given values, what do we get? We have the total amount, which is 20,768. We don't know the SP. And what is GST? GST is always calculated on SP or selling price. So it is 18% of selling price or SP. Now we can write this as 20,768 is equal to SP plus 18% of SP, that is 18 by 100 into SP. Now 100 into SP will be 100 SP. So 100 SP plus 18 SP is 118 SP by 100. So what do we get? 20,768 is equal to 118 SP by 100. Now by cross multiplication, what do we get? SP is equal to 20,768. 100 will come up here and 118 will come down here. So we have 20,768 into 100 by 118. Now when we calculate this, what do we get? We get SP is equal to 17,600. So we were able to find SP because we had the total amount and we had the rate of GST. So now what we'll do next is calculate list price. So what will be the list price if SP is 17,600 and discount is 20%? So what do you think will be the right answer? What will be the list price for this product? Well, let's see how we can calculate that. So we know that selling price is nothing but list price minus discount. That is how we calculate selling price, right? Now we already have the selling price as 17,600. We also know that discount is 20%. So let's substitute these values in the equation. So what do we get? SP is 17,600, that is equal to list price minus 20% of list price, because discount is always calculated on list price. So we can write this as 17,600 is equal to list price minus 20 by 100 into list price, that is 20% of list price. Now 100 into list price will be 100 list price minus 20 list price by 100, and that is 100 minus 20, that is 80 into list price by 100. So we can write this as 17,600 is equal to 80 by 100 into list price. And by cross multiplication, we can say that list price is equal to 100 by 80 into 17,600. So this will go up here, this comes down here. So we have 100 by 80 into 17,600, which is 22,000. So what is the list price? List price is 22,000. So now we have selling price, that is SP, as 17,600 and list price, that is 22,000. Now next we need to calculate the cost price. Now we know that CP has a very special relationship with SP, that is selling price. And what is that? Well, if you subtract CP from SP, you get the profit made by the dealer. Now we already have the profit given to us, which is 1400, and we also have SP, that is 17,600. And what is the formula involving SP, CP and profit? It is SP minus CP is equal to profit, right? Now if we substitute the values here, what do we get? SP is 17,600 minus CP, which is not known to us, and the profit is 1400. Now what do we do? Well, we bring CP on one side and we bring profit on the other. So CP is equal to 17,600, 1400 comes here, so it is minus 1400. Now 17,600 minus 1400 is 16,200, and this is the CP or cost price. So how did we calculate it? First of all, we calculated SP from the total amount, then we calculated list price on the basis of SP, and finally we also calculated the cost price also on the basis of SP, as well as the profit which was already given to us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.